In today's fast-paced world, keeping your home clean shouldn't be a hassle. With so many modern technologies available, why spend your valuable time on mundane tasks? Enter this Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the perfect blend of innovation, power, and convenience. This robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to give your floors the ultimate clean without lifting a finger. With powerful suction, personalized cleaning settings, and smart automation, it's more than just a vacuum. It's your new cleaning assistant. Gone are the days when you had to vacuum and mop separately. The Ropvacnic Robot S1 is equipped with advanced electronically controlled mopping technology, combining both mopping and vacuuming into one efficient process. Whether it's dried mud, spilled drinks, or everyday dust, this vacuum can handle it all. The high-capacity water tank and 4-stage water adjustment system allow for tailored cleaning across various surfaces, ensuring that every part of your home gets the attention it needs. Imagine walking into your home after a long day at work and seeing spotless floors without having to touch a mop or broom. This 2-in-1 feature is especially helpful for those with large homes or busy lifestyles. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. No one likes crumbs, dust, or pet hair lingering around the house. With 4,000 PA suction power, the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner ensures that no debris is left behind. This kind of suction power is rare in robot vacuums, making it a top contender in the market for anyone who needs a deeper, more thorough clean. The 3-point cleaning system works hand in hand with its strong suction to sweep up dirt from hard floors, wood surfaces, and low-pile carpets effortlessly. If you're a pet owner, you'll love how well it handles hair. The vacuum is specifically designed to pick up fur and dander without clogging or tangling, making it ideal for households with furry companions. What's better than having your vacuum clean the house? Being able to control it from your phone. The Ropvacnic Robot S1 offers multiple cleaning modes, all of which can be adjusted through a mobile app. Whether you need a spot clean, edge clean, or a full sweep of the house, everything is customizable right at your fingertips. And if you've integrated smart home devices like Alexa or Google Assistant, this robot vacuum is compatible with voice commands. Kick back and relax as you instruct the vacuum to start its cleaning session. It's perfect for multitaskers or those who simply want a more hands-free experience. The Ropvacnic Robot S1 doesn't just clean your home, it manages itself too. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with high-coverage sensors that allow it to navigate around obstacles, avoid falls, and even return to its charging dock when its battery is low. With multiple algorithmic data points, the vacuum can autonomously adjust its cleaning path, ensuring no area is left uncleaned. Worried about forgetting to start the vacuum? No problem. The Ropvacnic S1 can be scheduled to start cleaning at specific times. This high level of automation makes it the ideal choice for people with busy lives or those who want a clean home without constant intervention. As a pet owner, you know how quickly your floors can accumulate pet hair. But unlike traditional vacuums with roller brushes that easily get tangled with fur, the Ropvacnic S1 features a no-entanglement design. Its dual rotating side brushes sweep pet hair off the floor and into the dustbin without any fuss. This robot vacuum's specialized design ensures that cleaning up after your pets is easy and stress-free. Whether it's short hair from your cat or longer fur from your dog, the Ropvacnic S1 tackles it all. Standing at just 2.9 inches tall, the Ropvacnic S1 is slim enough to clean under low furniture like beds and couches, areas that are often neglected by traditional vacuums. It's designed to get into hard-to-reach places, ensuring a deep clean throughout your entire home. Despite its powerful suction, this robot vacuum operates at a surprisingly low noise level. So whether you're on a conference call watching TV or simply relaxing, the Ropvacnic S1 cleans your floors without disturbing the peace. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Everything you need to get started is included. Plus, Ropvacnic offers 12 months of professional customer service to ensure you get the most out of your vacuum. Why you should invest in the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile, powerful, and intelligent cleaning solution designed for modern homes. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to make cleaning easier, this robot vacuum is the perfect choice. Its combination of advanced mopping technology, high suction power, and smart automation makes it stand out from other vacuum cleaners on the market. If you're ready to experience effortless cleaning and enjoy a spotless home, the Ropvacnic Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the ultimate investment. It's reliable, efficient, and engineered to make your life easier. Don't waste time cleaning when you can let the Ropvacnic do it for you. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.